baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys this blinged out garbage can, trash can. If you'd like to see how I made it, just stay tuned. Alright everyone, these are the items that we will be using for this nice, simple and easy DIY. And everything will be listed down below in the description box where you can see everything I use and where to get them for yourself. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we have our garbage can here, and we have our sheets that we have cut, our bling wrap that we've cut into strips from Totally Dazzled. Now, I had to cut them into strips because if you use the full length of the full width of the bling wrap that it comes when you're putting it going around the bin, it does not lay flat. So I had to cut it into these strips, and then it lays down flat going right around our garbage can. Alright everyone, now we're going to use these stone gems, I call them, that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put them all around the top of our garbage can. And now I'll be placing one of our blinged out gems from Totally Dazzled, or the middle or the top. I think I'll put it right here in the middle of a garbage can to give it that little extra bling with our Gorilla Glue, you guys, using Gorilla Glue to glue it down. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our blinged out garbage can or trash can. I think it looks absolutely lovely. With the bling wrap going from the bottom to the top, it looks very nice. And we have these little stones that I got from Dollar Tree and placed it along the top. And of course, our lovely gem from Totally Dazzled. I absolutely love it. A lovely trash can. You could have it for your office, for your bedroom, for your washroom. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Even for your closet. Your blinged out girl's closet. OMG. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Like I said, once again, you take something from the dollar store, add some nice things to it, and you have a lovely piece for your home. And don't forget everyone, everything that I use will be listed down below in the description box. So you guys can go down there and check out where I got the things from and get some for yourself. Yeah. And there's other videos I have listed down there too for you guys to check out and see some more DIYs that I did. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about my blinged out trash can, garbage can, whichever one you prefer to call it. And give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I come up with another DIY to share with you guys. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.